Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to log in to your Millennium Bank Portugal business account online. First, open your web browser and go to the official Millennium Bank Portugal website. On the home page, click on the Log In button, then select Business or Empresas, depending on your language settings. Next, enter your username or customer ID and your password. If it's your first time, make sure you've registered your business account for online access. After entering your credentials, complete any two-factor authentication steps, like entering the code sent to your mobile device. Once verified, you'll have full access to your business dashboard, where you can manage payments, transfers, and account statements. Always remember to log out after finishing for security. And that's it. You're now logged into your Millennium Bank Portugal business account. If this helped, like and subscribe for more banking tips.